Hey everyone, this is Mr. Brown and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really interesting and also informative because everybody in their own country have ever been to village and we are always wondering that how the villages in Germany look like. So today I'm going to make this trip because this is just a weekend in Germany and it's like around 25 degrees Celsius, really good weather I would say. The village which I'm going to visit is near to the train station. It's called Wolfratshausen and the name of the village is Gare Street, and which will be around I think 45 kilometers from here. So I have to take a train from Munich Central Station and then I'll reach to Wolfratshausen with the S-Bahn train, and from there I'll get a bus which will drop me to Gare Street village. So let's start the journey now and let's see how the life in a village of Germany look like. Let's start.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So I'm already in a train right now towards Wolfratshausen. So I was just enjoying some sun and I forgot to take a coffee. I like to have a coffee when I'm traveling, but yeah, never mind. So let's reach Wolfratshausen and from there we have to change from train to the bus. So let's see how this goes. One more thing which I would like to definitely highlight is the connections are so good. The time this train will reach the Wolfratshausen, I'll be able to find a good connection, maybe within 5 or 10 minutes towards Gare Street. So the bus connection and the trains are so synchronized that you don't have to wait much, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So this is a really good part. Hey everyone, just now I dropped off from this train which I took from Munich, and now we are going to take a bus. So this is just to show that how good the connections are. Even whenever you are traveling to any of the village in Germany, you'll be definitely having a really good connection. So right now I'm in Wolfratshausen. So the village which I'm going to visit is Gare Street. So let's take a bus now and see how is it. So as you can already see that just now I dropped off from the train from there, and just there you can see that there is a bus stop, so I can just take any of the bus from there and can reach this village. So this is just to show that how good the connections are. You don't even have to walk, it's just like a 2 minutes walk, and just take a bus and you'll be in a village. You even have a McDonald's right at the train station, so you don't have to worry about coffee, or if you want to have some short meal or snacks, you can just buy it from there. We are already in our destination, which is a village. We already know that there are a few things which are still lacking in India, especially in our village section. But if we will talk about Germany, then they definitely are very rich in terms of education and in terms of electricity, in terms of water. So it doesn't matter in which village of Germany you are in, you will be having a 24/7 facility of water, 24/7 facility of electricity, and you'll have a lot of schools and everything, even the colleges. You will also find a different shopping center. One is just behind me, so there are many of them, like in every 100 meter or 200 meter. So even buying the stuff and stuff like this will never be a problem. Now let's see how the village is looking from the top, because I have my drone set up ready here. So here it is. So I'm gonna fly this drone and let's have a look from the bird eye now. Let's start. Alright guys, so I hope you have already enjoyed the view from the bird's eye. So let's move forward now, and I wanted to go into one of the houses in village. So let's start the journey. I have one of my friends who is already living here. So let's start. So you can see how beautiful they have already made for outside. And here you can see an indicator which will show your speed. So as you can see, it's showing that start because he's running very fast. The houses are really good actually. And they even have this flowers. You can also see that they have a different dustbins for different purposes. I'll write them down in the video. And this is the bus stop. You can find the schedule for the bus on these charts. So this is a full map here. You can find the timetable for the different buses, and they have some really cute stuff here. This is the kindergarten, which is a school for kids. I am already at the house, which I wanted to show you. So this will store the heat inside. So this is a very typical thing in Germany, that everybody keeps the jackets and everything at the very near to the gate. So here's a very interesting part, which is a kamin, or you can see a fireplace. So you can just put a wood inside and it will warm up the complete house from here. And they have a chimney on the top. And if you notice, they have a really old kind of a sitar here, which is kind of broken now, but they have most of these old instruments. Now there is a wardrobe. It's full of books. There's also this kind of a wall window, so you don't need specific light inside because you are already getting a natural light. Here are the woods. These are specifically you will find only in the old houses, because these woods will be used at a time of a winter to putting up in a fireplace and to warm up the house. They even have a solar panel. So this house is having electricity from the solar panels. You can see maybe, but definitely a beautiful view actually outside. So as you can already see that everything in the village is just exactly like whatever is in the city. The roads, the connections. The one thing which might be missing in the very remote village is a train connection, but definitely you will be having a connection with a bus, which is also cool. And rest everything is just similar to whatever you will find in a city. You will definitely find it in a village also. Alright guys, so this was my video for the one-day trip to the village in Germany, and I hope you have already enjoyed it. But the one thing which I would definitely like to highlight is, for example, if you're coming to Germany and maybe if you have a work like me, which is for work from home, at least because of this pandemic, maybe for this complete year. When I came to Germany, I lived in a village for around 1 year, I think. So I definitely loved my time. I still love that time. I wanted to live in the nature, and that perfectly fits my need. And also it's cheaper as compared to living in a city, but all the facilities will be there. So this is just my suggestion, like if you are coming to Germany or to any of the nearby countries, and if you have a remote work, then don't stay in a city, stay in a village. You'll get the same facilities there. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and like this video, because if you like this video, it will tell the YouTube algorithm that is content is good, and it will push it to further audience. So it will help me to grow. So consider to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till the time, stay safe and stay healthy. Ciao.
It sound right, boy.